Hi everyone, I am Kavitaraja from Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning Department. I am here to showcase the review on of mini project. The topic name is Development of Tailored Model for Comprehensive Detection Systems. In name itself, you can identify the project include a developing of a model for most of the comprehensive or complex detection systems which are using nowadays. Nowadays, mainly while detecting some objects, we are facing various issues, or the model will face a lot of issues to identify an object, such as the variation of light intensity, which makes models to struggle to identify the size of an object and the resolution of the objects present in the file or source of the video, like that, which can be accomplished by the various methodologies using a various kind of models like YOLO that and some other models like resonant. But the problem here is using all those models will make model to limited to such a object, which means the object can be recognized by a most of the model, and some of the objects or persons or some of the objects which cannot be recognized by the or pre-trained model. This can be accomplished or this can be overcome by the our own customized model for our own use or our purpose with the help of using a combination of our custom model and loss function with the help of pre-trained models. This can be accomplished to overcome the issue. In abstract, in recent years, we know that face detection. For an example, while the seeing of face detection, there are various applications using in nowadays. For an example, in metro station, the various a lot of countries are using a face detection as a key to exit and enter into the metro stations. And augmented and virtual reality games also using a face detection to record the expression of the player. And also, we know that a lot of companies are mainly focusing block big tech companies, chain. They are while having interviews with their freshers or employers, they are using these kind of face detection to know the particular student is attending a lecture or not. Like it's a various mm, usages are there in nowadays. So only we are focusing or we are involving in the overcome the specific challenges we are facing in real world environments. Okay. This model has been created with the help of researching three kinds of papers. The first paper or the FaceNet paper, which is the paper which is developed or which is published by the group of scientists in Google. This paper mainly focusing on the how the image can be splitted and segmented and can be processed. And the second paper has been released by the uh, this Microsoft. The paper name is Deep Residual Learning of for Image Recognition Resonate. This also they are using same deep learning methods such as skip connections. We know that skip connections, which means this there are two kind of encoder decoder in the in between session there is some kind of bridge the connection between encoder and decoder which are known as a skip connections which helps um, remove all outputs uh, from the unwanted layers and will focus on the uh, correct and absolute layers. And third paper, which is released by Meta, which mainly focus on detection of the particular object in the system and the video cam, which uses a 3D facial alignment compared to rest of two papers. And therefore, the final reference code and the research paper links are given in this slide and the official my GitHub repository where the original source can be found. Thank you to all.